So let's take a look at this one. Everybody must know 4 times 6 equals what, right? 24. This is very easy. So let me ask you, how about 14 times 6?
14 times 6.
So everybody, so that's still the same thing, okay? 14 times 6. So 4 times 6 equals 24. So remember, everybody, the price, place, very good. You still need to put 4 because in 24, the 4 is a unit place. 2 is what? 2 is a
Tens place.
So we leave the 4th place here because this is the unit place. This is the tens place. So when we're doing quotients, the place value is the most important thing. Okay, so thank you, Brandon. You did it very well. So 24, we put 2 here because we still have something here because 1 times 6 equals 6. 6 plus 2 equals 84. Okay, so let's take a look at 13 times 6. 13 times 6. So 3 times 6 equals 18. In 18, 8 is a unit place. So we'll put unit place here and 1 over there. But actually, it is not a 1, it's a 10. So 1 times 6 equals 6. So 6 plus 1 equals 7. So the answer is 78. Okay, let's take a look at this one. So 12 times 6 equals what? Okay, so
要哪一个？这个吧。OK， 这样。不用。这样，老师在教东西，你要认真一点，不要搞来搞去。
okay, so Brandon, can you tell me 12 times 6 equals what?
12 times 6 equals 72.
Very good, Amelia. Good job. Okay, so it seems everybody knows how to do it. So now let's just review another thing, okay? So we have learned area and we have learned the perimeter, right? So before we move to today's topic, so who knows how to calculate the area of a rectangle? And who knows how to calculate the area of a triangle? Okay, so I think we have learned the rectangle and square, but we never learned the triangle, right? We have learned the perimeter of triangle, but we never learned the area of a triangle, correct? Okay, so everybody, first, if I tell you this one is 4, this is 2, so 14 and 12. So what is area of this one? No, I just make it easier. So 14 and 8. Okay, and this one is 9 and 9. So please calculate the area and the perimeter for this rectangle and square.
Wait, what is the outside of, what is this part?
14 and 8.
Oh.
9 and 9.
Hey, are we doing the perimeter or area?
Both.
Okay, I'll do the area first. So the length times the width is the area for the rectangle. Yeah, more in. Wait, it's M or an M?
Okay, so Okay, so first of all, let's take a look at this one. So let's take a look at the square first. So Harry, Brandon has already put the perimeter here. So can
Yeah.
you tell me what is area for the square?
It's
The
9 times
area
9
is
equals
81.
85.
81, very easy. So this one, the area is 112. I think it's 14 times 8, right? So equals 112, very good. And this one is 14 plus 8
Times 2.
equals 22.
I got the
22
same
times 2 equals
answer.
what?
44.
44. So this one's wrong. Okay, so everybody, so today we're going to move forward, and next week we're going to learn the area of a triangle and an area of more things. But today we're going to move forward. And let me just ask you, do you know what is the name of this one?
Rectangle. Rectangular prism. Cuboid. Cuboid.
Rectangular prism.
Cuboid. Cuboid.
Very good. This one's called a rectangular prism, okay? So
It's
this
also
one
called
represents
cuboid.
all the boxes and all the looks like the shape is like that. So they all having the same thing. So now today we're going to learn how to calculate the volume of these things. Okay, understand? So we have learned what is volume before. So who can tell me what is volume? Harry, can you tell me?
The volume is the capacity of a object. Like, for example, the volume of my water bottle is 1 liter.
Very good. And this is talking about something inside, right? Because before, when we're talking about area or perimeter, it is always something outside, correct? Okay, so this time we're talking about the inside. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So how do we calculate the volume of a rectangular prism? Let's just take a look at example. Okay, Eleanor is here. So let's take a look at this one, okay? So we have this one. So 1 times 4 times 2. So we know that this 4 in here is represent the length. Oh, sorry, we're just using this one as an example. So this one, the volume equals the length times width times height. So I know a lot of students thinking the length must be the longest one. It doesn't necessary, okay? So this one is the length, and this one is the width. Sorry, I'm just using different colors. Hello, Eleanor. This is the width, and this is the height. Get it? So if you know that the volume of the thing is just three different lengths that time them together. So 3 times 5 times 12. Okay, so maybe there's some students said, but teacher, I don't know how to calculate these ones, but do you know how to calculate 5 times 12?
Yeah.
60.
Yeah. 60. So 3 times 60 equals 180. So last week we have learned like how to calculate the number with a 0. For instance, 20 times 60. We just
2
know
times 6,
how to do
120.
2 times 6.
2 times 6
Yes,
is
very good.
12.
So 12 and put the
1,200.
very good. Okay, so if you have 40 times 20 times 10, all you need to do is just to times all the numbers. 4 times 2 times 1 equals 8, and put 3 zeros on top of it. Okay, just to
Wait, where's Colton?
So of course, because we have some bigger number, if some student here doesn't know how to calculate the bigger number, it doesn't matter. All you need to do is understand how to calculate it, okay? So before we're doing the calculation, there's one thing I want to go with all of you, okay? I'm going to just do a little bit different ones. So you know that before we're moving forward, so I want to ask you a very simple question. How many length, how many width, how many height does a rectangular prism have?
So I have to calculate A, B, C, and D.
So let's calculate it, okay? So I'm going to just using the color of that special one. So let's take a look at this one. So one, yeah, 我用个稍微粗一点的颜色。So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Everybody take a look at this one. So how many same ones are there?
4.
How many of them are there?
What are you even
The
doing right
4,
now?
right? So is it 4 out there? So let's take a look at the length. So how many same length are here? 1,
2, 3, 4.
3, and 4 as well. So how many width are there? I'm going to change to another color. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So everybody, I just want you to put this one in your notebook or in your little, or put them into your brain, okay? So if you have a rectangular prism, you have 4 length, 4 height, and 4 width existing in this shape. Okay, and also we have these ones is called vertex. So how many of them are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we have 8, vertex. Okay, so in all the different kind of, as long as it is rectangular prism, it is every single one have 4 length, 4 height, and 4 width. And in order to calculate the volume of this prism, just length times width times height. So let's take a look at example A. So volume equals length times width times height. So it's 4 times 2 times 1. So the answer is 8. But everybody remember the unit, okay? It is millimeter cubed. Why it is cubed? Because there are 3 items has been times together. So that's why it is actually 4 millimeter times 2 millimeter.
Can I go to the
1
washroom?
millimeter, yes. So 4 times 2 times 1 equals 8. And 1 millimeter times 2 millimeter times 3 millimeter equals what? Millimeter cubed, right? We learned 2 times 2 times 2 equals 2 cubed. 4 times 4 times 4 equals 4 cubed. As long as you have the same thing times together, you don't have to just time them. So for instance, if I have 103 times together, do I have to write all of them? No, all I need to do is 3 and exponent 100. The top number represents how many same number has been repeated. So we have 1 millimeter, 2 millimeter, 3 millimeter times together. So that's why the unit is millimeter, or we say it 3 thingy, correct? Okay, so let's take a look. The next one is length times width times height. So I'm going to use 48 times 8. So 8 times 8 equals 64. 4 is a unit number, put it down, and the 10th place is put it there. 4 times 8 equals 32, so 384. 384 meters cubed, because this one is all meters. Next one, length times width times height. If at this moment, there are probably some students think, 老师, they're actually the same. Yes, they are all the same. So they have another name for that is cube. Okay, when you heard somebody said, hey, Eleanor, could you bring me that cube? That means the one I want you to bring it to me is having the same height, same length, and the same width. Hello, Colton.
Hello.
Okay, so the answer is 27 kilometers in cube. Okay, so everybody, I'm going to ask you to do these 6 questions yourself. Okay. So Colton will be the one who pick up the right person to understand to answer the questions. Okay. So right now, just you do it. Okay.
Why do we have so less people today?
啊？哦，有好几个小朋友
这么巧
请假，
所有人都请假。
大概天气太好了。
So D, E, F, G, H, I.
Yes, 6 questions. Calculate the volume.
E, E, F, G, H.
我怎么听到有打字的声音？
我也听到有打字的声音。
Maybe someone is sending it into chat. How? Say
你快点了。
Brenda， 你做好了吗？
Almost.
Okay, so Brandon finished. Amelia.
what?
Alexander, you're late right now, so I just to spend some time to explain today thing we're learning. Okay, are you there, Alexander?
That's not my fault. I had Lego class, so you very dumb.
I am confused on what he is saying.
Me too.
Hello, Alexander. Can I explain the today's learning?
Alexander Dude.
Huh?
Alexander Dude.
Okay, so let's just explain. So the rest of you still doing that, okay? So Alexander, today we're learning the volume of a rectangular prism. Okay, so for any rectangular prism, we're actually having a lot of lines and a lot of vertices, right? So Colton, please tell me, how many lines are there in a rectangular prism? Colton?
There are 12 edges.
Okay, so all of them having a special name, right?
Yeah, they have edges. They're edges.
The edges. So we have length, we have width, and we have height.
Mm-hmm.
Understand, Alexander? So the yellow line is called the length, and the pink line is called width, and the blue line is called height. So just want you to find out how many similar or same lines are there. So this one and this one and this one obviously are the same. So that's why we know we have 4 height and we have 4 width. And also we have 4 length. Understand, Alexander? Okay, and also for all they have what? They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 of the vertices. Okay, and in order to calculate the volume of any rectangular prism, all we need to do is just using the length measurement times the width measurement times the height measurement. So for this one, very easy, it's 1 times 4 times 2. But the only thing you need to make sure it is not wrong is the unit. Instead of the millimeter, it's millimeter cube. The reason it is like that, Alexander, is because millimeter times millimeter times millimeter, there are 3 millimeters times together. So it's 1 and 4 and 2, right? So we have learned that if you have 4 2's times together, you don't have to really write them all. You just to put 2.
I'm going to send it in chat to you.
So that's why it's 8 millimeter cube. Alexander, do you understand?
Scrooty.
Okay, so let's just ask Amelia. Amelia, can you tell me the first question's answer?
The first question's answer is 75 cm.
75 cm, is it right?
Anyway, I'm going to send it in chat.
Oh, 75 cm, is it right or not?
Yes.
Okay, so Amelia, the calculation is right. Okay, 我们来看看 Cotton 他做的对不对？
他做的对，但是
但是什么地方
units
Units is not
Oh,
right
so
because you know what? There
square?
must be centimeter what?
Wait, cm.
3 things.
Three.
Okay, so let's take a look at number E. So, Harry, 我刚刚看了一个 Harry 变成 lobster. Harry, can you tell me what is number E's answer?
200 millimeters.
200 millimeters. Is it right, everybody?
Mm-hmm.
Yes,
Cotton, 你来说说看好不好？
是对的。但是 again，
Harry， 刚才老师说的，你有没有看到？老师刚才
Square.
说的什么？刚才说的什么？刚才说的 Amelia 什么地方错了？然后
You
你跟
need a
Amelia
three on the top. You need a three.
Yeah, you have to put a 3 thingy. Okay, so that is cube. It's 200 millimeter cube. Okay, next one. I want to call Brandon.
28 meters cubed.
280?
No,
What? I cannot hear you.
48 meter cube.
48 meter cube. So Cotton, is he right or not?
yes, this one is right.
This one's totally right. Very good. Let's take a look at number G. Okay, so number G, I want to call Eleanor. Can you tell me number G? What is the answer?
Kilometer
49 what?
kilometer cube.
Very good. 49 kilometers cube. Very good. Okay, so number H. Again, Harry, can you tell me the answer?
You're muted, Harry.
No, I didn't. Harry muted himself. I never muted anybody.
96 centimeters.
96
3.
centimeter cube. Very good. 差点又说错了，是不是 Harry? Okay, last but not least, this one's super duper easy. Okay, Alexander, can you tell me what is the volume of this one? Hello, Alexander. Yeah.
1,000 meters.
1,000 meters cube. Very good. 1,000 meter cube. Good job. Very good. Okay. Our student today is very good. Okay, so now I'm going to just take a look at this one. Okay, so everybody, so we're going to do a very fun project. Okay, the project is you first calculate it, then you get the chance to find the right box and just to color them. Okay, so for instance, I'm going to do the first one, green box. So because we're doing the green box, I'm using the green color. So the volume is 9 times 6 times 2 equals 9 times 12 equals 108. So I'm going to put 108 centimeter cube here. So I'm going to look down, which was 108? This one, yes. So I'm going to color this one into green color. Get it, everybody? Okay, so let's take a look at the next one. Okay, so we're going to do this one all together. So who likes yellow color?
Me.
I want to pick, 老师没有让你们做的啊。So I'm going to call Eleanor. Can you tell me the number yellow box? Can you do the yellow box for us?
Hello box.
And look at it, okay? Everybody, I want, when you do the thing, I want to see is everything like that, okay? I don't want to see just the answer. It is not good. I like something like that. Okay, so Eleanor, could you please tell me how to calculate the volume of the yellow box?
The green box. He's muted.
Eleanor, I cannot hear you.
She is muted.
Maybe she's not.
2 times 4 times 7.
Very good. 2 times 4 equals what, Eleanor?
56
Very good.
cube.
Centimeter cube. Very good. 56 centimeter cube. So which one is yellow?
F.
Very good. So we're going to color them into F. Okay, next one. Orange box. Brandon.
Okay. 3 times 5 equals 15. 15 times 5, 5, and then 35. No.
哎呀，大家说他说 35 啊。15 times
It's
5.
45. No, it's not 45.
No, it's not 45.
Wait, it's what? Wait.
Wait.
75.
75. Thank you. 75 and that's it?
75 centimeters square.
Okay. Centimeter square. 大家说对不对的？
No.
No.
Centimeter square. 对的。
No.
No.
那是什么呀？
When you're doing volume, it will always be 3.
Cube. Okay, it's cube. Okay,
Oh, I forgot to
75
say.
centimeter cube. Okay, so this is the orange color. So Brandon, can you tell me where is the orange color?
Okay. D.
Okay, next one, brown box. Okay, brown box. I want to call
poop.
Colton to tell us how to calculate the brown box.
It's
The
poop. Brown box is poop.
you just do 8 times 4 times 3. cm cubed, by the way.
Equals what?
96
96
cm cubed.
cm cubed. 96 cm cubed. So which one?
You wait for a second.
Equals what? Colton? Which
Hey.
one? Number B, right? So okay, B. Okay, so next one, Harry, red box.
Let's see, red box.
Red box?
4 times 6 times 7 equals 4 times 42, which equals 168.
168. So
Paper.
what is a
Cube,
unit?
centimeter
Harry?
cube. Centimeter cube.
Centimeter cube. Okay, so that's why that's the first one. Okay, so everybody, what is the last one? Blue box. So who wants to do the blue box? Amelia, do you want to do the blue box?
No.
I want to.
Okay, Harry, you can do it.
Okay, 2 times 5 equals 8, which equals 10 times 8, which equals 80 centimeters cubed.
Okay, so which is?
Which is the last box there is.
Okay, very good. Okay, very good. Everybody understand? Okay, so this will be part of your homework. And in your homework, I want to see all the people is giving me not only the answer, but I want to see how you get it. Get it? And your answer should including the equation and also the unit. And then we can color it. Understood? Okay, so this part is very important, okay? I don't want to see anybody is no 就没有过程的，就直接写个答案给我，不可以啊，是不是打屁股啊 ？Okay, so now let's take a look at this one. Okay, so now we're moving forward to do the speed test of the volume. Okay, so everybody, every single page, they're going to have 4 questions of calculating the volume of the rectangular, and Colton is going to times up, and everybody, you're going to send the answer into the WeChat group. Okay, so everybody, you're not going to, yeah, send the WeChat group because Carlton will take a look for you.
怎么看
And
呢？
everybody,
在哪里呀？
I'm going to, so this time,
怎么弄的？
Carlton, we have 3 minutes at the very beginning.
the
Okay, 2 or 3
questions?
minutes.
For the
我看一下小朋友，
Where
每一
the
次我都会
questions?
记下来。
Do we
小朋
have to
友
make
们每一个人
questions?
得几分？我来做一个例子啊
Okay.
Okay, so get it, everybody? I'm going to show you the question first, okay? So each page, there are going to be 4 questions, okay? So within 2 to 3 minutes, no matter you finish or not, you send the answer to Colton. You send the answer to Colton. If you don't have WeChat, that's fine. You can send it to the chat as well. It doesn't matter.
Wait, can you wait a
After
sec?
Colton check it, I'm going to see, for instance, Brandon did 4 of them and 3 of them are right. And I'm going to give him 3 marks. And Harry get 4 and 4 of them are all right. I'm going to give Harry 4 marks. And for instance, after 2 minutes, Eleanor only did 2, then Eleanor will, and 2 of them are both right. And Eleanor will get 2 points. Understand? So after the whole competition, I'm going to find out who is the getting the most of the points, and he or she will be my teacher assistant next class with Colton
Woohoo.
together. Okay, everybody? You're going to know how to, then I'm going to share the co-host with that people. And you can just talk to, yeah, there are a lot of things. It's really cool, okay? So everybody, we're not doing this one because you all see this one already. So Colton, can you please just, do you want me to time them or you time them?
You time them because my timer thing isn't working.
Okay, I can time them. Okay, so 2 minutes. Do you think 2 minutes is good enough?
Wait,
That's-
2 minutes for every page?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so everybody, 1, 2, go. And maybe a little bit more time. 3 minutes.
忙呀。快呀！快点，快点！你要怎么弄？那就别让人家。没有。快！
这是 想啊。
Harry, how do you send it to Colton? Do you just use the WeChat group?
You can just, yeah, you can use the WeChat
Yeah,
group
or the chat.
chat as well.
我已经发过了。
Okay. I sent the second page to
你已经全部做完了 Harry。
Yes,
No.
Harry hasn't. Wait,
Harry,
no, Harry sent,
检查。
Harry sent the first one.
Harry， 时间还没到 ，make sure you get it all right, okay?
Okay.
对吧？我们现在有时间的时候，一定要小朋友养成什么习惯 ？Check your answer， 对不对？哦，很早
No,
教
the，first one's wrong. The second
那
one's
你
right.
赶快改，你现在还有
哎，你能再翻回去 first page 一下吗？他那个叫什么 Harry 的那个？
I just sent you.
没有？我们
Yeah.
只第2个page，Cotton， 第1个 page 不做。
What is number 6? What is number 6?
Harry 全对。
哇 ，Harry 4 points，OK，I counted for you already。
Wait, I get 4 points.
对啊，4道题嘛，全对就有4分。
Okay.
Number 6.
Makes sense.
那个 Harry， 那个 Amelia 好像 number 6不太会做，你要不要帮他一下 ？We can
With chat?
actually helping each other. Yes.
不错。
Okay, 3 minutes is up. Okay, I'm sorry. So, Brandon, Harry, Eleanor, Alexander, and Amelia. So, Cotton, can you tell me Brandon has how many points? And
I don't have Brendan's.
Brandon 没发，你可以发在 chat 里面。
I already did.
Yeah, Cotton 他发到那个 chat 里面了。
哦啊哦，诶 ，Zoom 的还是 WeChat？
Zoom.
Zoom.
It's
I'm the
not
same thing
there.
as Harry.
I don't have it.
你这道题
Yes, I am. I'm the same as Harry. I changed my name
他
exactly.
就叫 Harry，他可烦了。
没有，就算就叫 Harry，他也只有一个 Harry 给我的3个东西。
一个是 WeChat
谁哪个 Harry send 到了 WeChat 里面？
没答。
我是 QWERTY.
的 Harry， 还有一个是假的 Harry。哎呀，我要哭了我！你们俩
假的 Harry 是放在
QWERTY 是真的 Harry. QWERTY 是真的 Harry.
Cotton， 那个 WeChat group 里面发的是 Harry， 然后
哦
Zoom chat 里面发的是假
明白
Harry，which is Brandon。
不要听人家讲话。
哦，那他们2个都全对。
OK， 好。 别的小朋友就算没做对也没关系啊，就是没做完也没关系，先发给 Cotton 哥哥。
Eleanor got 3 right.
对呀 it's better than
I just send it in to Zoom chat. Not to him.
Eleanor got 3 of them right. Actually, Eleanor, did you look at the question? It's not solving for 35. Number 6, you're not solving for 35. 他过程做对了，但他答案发的不是正确答案。
Okay, so I just to spend a little bit of time on the number 6, okay, everybody. So this time, it's not asking you to calculate the volume. It's already told you the volume. So what is the width if the volume is 35 and the length is 7 and height is 1? So it's 7 times 1 times something, I don't know, equals 35. It looks like a question that when we're doing the math competition of like calculation competitions is always having something like that, right? So this one is what, 5, yes. So the width is 5 meters. That is how we do it, okay? So for the first one is because it's a cube, remember? Teacher told you when we have a cube, that means each line is the same, right? So 3 times 3 times 3 equals 27 centimeter cube. Number 7, a rectangular prism has a length of 2, width of 6, height of 4. So 2 times 6 times 4. So I'm going to time these two together first. So 2 times 4 equals 8. 8 times 6 equals 48 centimeter cube. Last but not least, 1 times 5 times 1 equals 5 millimeter cube. Okay, everybody, good job. So next question, where we still have 3 minutes. Okay, send it to Colton. And the next 4 questions, Colton, you're the one who is going to teach them how to do it, okay? So quickly and explain to the student, the rest of you, please don't give up, okay? Because even you get 1 or 2 points, it still counts, okay? So 1, 2, go. Okay, so Alexander, I got yours, so I'm going to plus 2 points for you. Okay, good job. And Eleanor got it great. Now, Eleanor 也是全对, right? Only the number 6 that the question is not perfectly answered. So I'm going to give you 3.5 points. 减掉0.5分. But very, very pretty handwritten and having all the equations. Good job, Eleanor. Henry, the answer is perfect. Okay, it's perfect, but I just want you to, if next time you take a look at
Do I
Eleanor.
get 8 points now? Do I in total have 8 points?
Yeah, Colton,
Brandon 全对
Colton, I don't know.
Brandon 全对
How many points do I have?
8 as well.
Really?
I got 8, so
Henry,
you get 8.
if you could, like Eleanor, give the perfect equation, that would be even better, okay? Take a look at Eleanor's, like she is, though making some mistakes, but her handwritten and, you know, the equation, she's the only one who's giving me the equation. And also, I think
I can actually see the
Alexander gave
next.
the equation as well. Yes. Hello, Bagel. Bagel, what happened?
你又不会做了？
Bagel,
想呀，
Bagel. 翠花儿，翠花儿。哎呀，这手全是毛
哎。呀，你想呀，你根本不会做，你不可以不会做的，人家都做了，你们就不会做。
怎么了？Okay, time is up, everybody. Okay, I have received
哦，对，Amelia 做了2个。
okay. Harry 都对的。Colton, Harry 和 Brandon 都对的。
Harry Brandon 都对，你自己说的呀。
我说的是他前面那个，我在说的那个。
哦，
对不？拿几分都是靠你的，都是你来决定的。你是我们
你当时说了，所以我以为你说他就全对了。
没有，我不管。哦，Alexander 也发过来了，你看一下。哎呀，不要抓我
你给 Alexander 个3.5。
！Alexander 给3.5，好。
嗯，
OK， 那还有 Eleanor 呢？
3。
OK， 好。那 Colton， 我们来讲解一下这4道题目，好不好？
嗯。I cannot annotate.
哦，sorry。OK， 好。
Let's find the volume of rectangular prism. We have length, width, and height. Let's just times everything together. You have 9 times 8 times 2. And that will equal to 144. Because 9 times 8 is 72, times 2 is 144, and it's cm cubed. Is everyone okay with that?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Next we have length is 10 cm, height is 3 cm, and we have a volume of 90. So 10 times 3 times something equals to 90 cm cubed. So through a little simple math, we divide by 10, we divide by 3, and then we'll get 3. So the answer is 3. Oh, oops. The answer is 3 cm. Okay.
Understand, everybody?
Yes.
Okay. Number 11 is literally the same thing as number 9. You just don't have the picture. 2 times 4 times 9. That's 72. And it's meters
Harry?
cubed.
Yes.
How many points do I have?
不能问的，你要好好做。
You're so mean.
那你自己是不是想？ 你一共做对了2
And
个。
then finally we have 12, which
Wow.
is also the same thing as 9. Just
Wow,
you 2 times 3 times 8, and then you will get 48 millimeters
Poof.
cubed.
Move, move,
Okay,
move.
that's all the answers.
Understand, everybody? Okay, so thank you, Colton. And a very good explanation. So does everybody understand Colton's explanation? Because if you're ready, we're moving to the next 4 questions, okay?
Mhm.
1, 2, go. Sorry, go.
哪里？这个吗？又不会做啊？啊 ？What？ 又不会做？又不会做？又不会做？哎，你不会做，你就看着，你不要动了。你不会做，你还动啊动。
Okay. Ooh, Eleanor has sent the answer. 哈哈哈哈是谁？哦，哈哈哈哈是那个 Brandon。Brandon 这个名字我读的，我要看有多少个哈，哈哈哈哈哈哈哈哈哈哈哈哈哈哈哈哈哈哈哈
可以吗？可以吗？不要跟我对动。
最后一个特别长，是
What
哈
are you ha-haing about?
I think there's at least 27. Okay, Eleanor has sent me the answer. Colton, take a look.
Hmm.
And I think she's the first one, right? Ooh. Good job, Eleanor. And 我们 make it even harder 啊。每一次第一个 send 给我的小朋友可以多加1分，如果全对的话。Okay, times is up. So Colton, please take a look at
全对了。
say Eleanor 全对。Okay, and congratulations. 哎，哈哈哈呢？哈哈，你 send 了没有？
哈哈哈哈胜了，他也是全对。
Okay, 那 Henry 呢？
哈哈哈。
Henry 对吗？Alan 那个 Amelia send 了吗 ？Alexander send 了吗？
没有人其他 send 的。
真的吗？
啊 ，Harry send 了，Harry 刚 send，他们都刚 send。
反的。
为什么是反的 ？Harry，because 你上了一个反的 minus 1分。
Harry 说：“妈妈，这是我妈妈干的，我妈妈干的，不是我干的。”
Alexander 全对。
Very good.
Harry 全对。
Okay. How's Amelia?
Amelia 没发东西。
Amelia 还没发。
We
我一个不会做。
那你哪个不会做？让 Cotton 哥哥教你一下。
第14。
Okay, the number 14. So Cotton, could you please explain just the 14 because the rest of them are all right.
Okay. So we know that we do length times width times height equals volume. So we have something times 5 times 5 equals 125. If you divide 125 by 5, you'll get 25. If you divide 25 by 5, you'll get another 5. So the answer is 5 millimeters.
Understand, Amelia? The cat goes.
Yes.
Okay, very good. So everybody, I already said, okay, in order to make it a little bit, 你看刺激一点啊。刚才那个叫什么Eleanor 第一个教的，而且全对，第一个教并且全对的，可以得到一个 additional point. Okay. Okay, everybody, are you ready? So 3 minutes. 1, 2, go.
What's her number?
Don't take that answer, Colton. It's not correct.
Okay. It's okay. I took it anyways.
Don't. Okay, there you go. That's the proper one. I hope so.
Better than
Okay. You fixed something. Okay.
Yeah.
You fixed the thing that I wasn't looking at.
so.
You had something else wrong.
So,
Okay, Brendan got a 3.
so Brandon get it all right.
Brendan, no, Brendan
I'm
got a 3.
sending it to you.
He got a
Okay.
3. He got a 3.
Okay, Brandon's 3, and Harry.
Brendan, look at your number 2. Look at your number 2. Look at your 8.
Babe,
Look at 18.
Harry
What
也
have you
发了，Cotton 看一下。
我知道，我知道。
I'm sending. Okay, I'm sending.
Oh,
Harry
okay.
全对了 Harry
Yeah.
全对了
OK，Harry 全对，那 Harry 是第一个对吧？
没有 Harry 是第二个 ，Brendan 比他早1分钟。
但是 Brandon 没有做全对啊。
但是你说第一个做全对 ，Harry 不是第一个。
哦，OK，fine，I just said so. Harry
然后
got
你下次你如果这样也行的话，那你下次把 rule 说清楚一点，谢谢。
Wait, I can't write this 3.
There you go, Colton. Is that correct now?
Yes.
Yay.
Hiya, Eleanor. Why is the thing sideways? Ah, god damn it. Eleanor 全对。喂，等会儿全对，全对，对的。
Eleanor 全对。
嗯。
Good job. I 我看小朋友们越做越好了。Okay, times is up. Okay, so Colton, so just to explain the question that Brandon is getting wrong. Got it wrong.
Oh. Okay. 32, we have something times 2. Oh, you know what? I'm too lazy to even write it. We have something times 2 equals 32 cm cubed. So if we divide 32 by 2 and another 2, we get 8 cm.
Oh, Alexander sent it.
Oh, Alexander sent it. Alexander 全对了。
非常好。Alexander 看来喜欢皮卡丘是吧？
That's not Pikachu, that's an Eevee. Let's call it Eevee.
Thank you.
Brush up on your Pokemon knowledge, Lahaya.
我没有 Pokemon knowledge.
Exactly, that's why you need to brush up on it.
这个不是皮卡丘吗
That's an Eevee, I told you.
OK，Evie 是女孩子的皮卡丘吗？
No. Pokemon, it depends on individual Pokemons.
Oh, so they're
Like for example, the main character Pikachu is a boy, but you can have girl Pikachus too.
so Evie is a Pikachu's girlfriend.
No.
Okay.
There's like 700 different types of Pokemon, and actually 900 now.
Like Minnie and Mickey, and
No, that doesn't exist.
Okay.
What are you gonna have then? Male Pikachu and female Pikachu?
No, they're the same. So they have.
Oh no! Male Pikachu actually has the difference. The male Pikachu has a sharp tail, while the female Pikachu's tail ends in a heart.
Okay. Oh.
But for most of the other Pokemons, you don't really have any difference.
Very good teacher. You know what? I don't know what is a female Pikachu, but Colton knows, and Colton's mom also knows. So Colton's a very good teacher.
What?
Oh, okay. Oh, Brandon, show me. What is that? This is a golden card.
What is that?
Look at that.
Zapdos.
Who's that?
It's a legendary Pokemon, a Thunderbird of sorts. What is that? I can't see what that is. That's a Charmeleon.
Oh, that is a little dragon that could do fire. Go back to
What
that
is
one.
that? What is the black one?
back
Oh, that's a
to
Nidoking.
The red one, like the red dragon. No,
That's a Mewtwo.
not this one, not this one. Yeah, this one,
That's
right?
a Carnelian. That's not the small dragon. That's the medium one.
This one can do the fire and whatever, like.
This is the medium one, not the small one.
Okay, okay,
You have
okay.
small, medium, and large.
And we have a times break. Okay, we have 2 minutes break talking about Pikachu. Does Pikachu has a girlfriend or something? So let's do the next one. Brenda, are you ready? Are you ready to fight for the extra 1 points, Harry and everybody? Amelia, 加油, okay? 1, because the question is getting harder. Okay, 1, 2, go.
What happened here? Oh yeah. I hope this can keep me busy for a while. But when I'm done, I need to go to the washroom.
去吧。
给那个好了。
Okay, I have received Harry's. Good job, Harry. 你看 Harry 的妈妈出来交一下作业，然后又闪走了。
让我看看 Harry 什么时候发的。
发了，他发的。
Oh no. OK， 等一下啊。Harry 和 Brandon 都全对，但是 Brandon 很早发了1分钟。
1分钟吗？有早发1分钟吗？
我 Brandon 是4:37 ，Harry 是4:38。
OK， 那 Brandon 有加1分 ，Harry 上次多加了1分，这次是 Brandon 加1分。哎呦，你们两人咬得很起劲啊！哦，Harry 也把他
Eleanor 也全对，Eleanor 全对。
Eleanor 全对哦
，Amelia 给2.5吧，2.5。
哎 ，Harry 你们也都玩 Pokemon Card 的是吧？
I can't find my Mega Charizard V.
哦
There's a V?
Yeah, Mega Charizard V.
Oh, the new ones. Okay. I
I
haven't
can't find
touched
my new
Pokemon. I
VMAX.
haven't touched Pokemon cards in so long.
Okay, time's up. Okay, 3 minutes is up. I think everybody knows how to do it. So, Colton, can you just quickly enough explain the question that Amelia does not understand?
Which one? 他做错了，谁在那里拍？
谁来Brandon？
做错那个，来我们看一下啊，又24。This might just be a simple calculation mistake. 9. Oh, I see where you went wrong. Amelia, it's 9 times 4 times 3, not 9 plus 4 times 3. Okay, I think you could have done it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let's move to this is last 3 questions.
Wait, I'm not ready.
Okay, I'm sorry. 回去。
How can you be not
So
ready?
1, 2, go. Last 4 questions, okay? Alexander 发给你了。我要叫鹏鹏了，我说圆圆你看一下，鹏鹏你看一下。
哦，Alexander，竟然全对。
全对 OK
I
good
got
job
125 already. Nick,
你洗饭了，你不能这样子。
because it's so okay. It's so weird.
啊 Harry 已经交了
Sand.
你自己练好就快点。全部作文怎么写？这是什么？
Am I all right?
这是什么？
考ten Harry 是对的吗？
这是什么？
嗯，
你快点。
在看中。
要到多少？好
Guys, I have a trivia question.
，next。
Harry 和 Brandon 都是
要动好吗？
对的。I can't really tell when Harry sent it because it's kind of I don't know.
都是这样做的。
Harry 就我刚才说的时候，
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. 因为你刚才说的时候，Brandon, I don't know.
好，然后呢
I
Okay.
can't tell.
？next。
他们两个都全对的。
OK， Brandon 和 Carrie 这两个人过会儿来个加时赛。Alan
加时赛 you're refereeing. I'm too tired to do this. Eleanor 全对。
OK，
So CM.
什么？
还有 Alex 和 Amelia。OK。OK，Alan 那个叫什么 Harry 和这个 Brandon。OK， 现在我们比赛加时2道题目。OK， 好，这2道题目其他可以选择做，也可以选择不做。It's OK。OK。 好，这2道题目的答案不用再发到微信上来，做好的小朋友直接说我做完了，然后把答案说出来。OK。
Can I just send it?
You don't have to send it. No, the extra 2 questions. Okay, just to tell me in the chat. Okay, 就直接嘴巴说出来。One， 别的小朋友也可以做啊。1, 2, go.
88 centimeters, 3.
And
And
And 2 meters.
Is 80.
did I hear
The
2
first one-
centimeters?
No, 2 meters. I
first
said
one
2 meters.
The first
joking
one
around.
is 88 cm3.
OK, very good. 每个小朋友都做得很快，很好，很好。OK， 我们抢答都对了。
And the second one is 2 meters.
Okay, very good, Amelia. Good job. Okay, so both, I think we have at the very beginning, actually, Harry and Brandon is a tie. Okay, so this last question, last 2 questions, Brandon did it quicker. So we're going to have Brandon as next week's teacher assistant. So Brandon will have the author rights to do a lot of things, okay? And Brandon, you're going to have not a lot of money, but since you're a teacher assistant, I'm going to pay you for next week's teacher assistant as well.
Oh.
So
cool.
for the rest of the students in this class, please try your best for the later on competition, because you know what? Maybe you're going to be the next week's teacher assistant and you can just gain some money.
Alexander do.
Mother's Day, yesterday is Mother's Day, right? You can use your own money to buy your parents some gift, correct? Okay, so everybody, now we're doing very good. Okay, so since you know you're perfect, so I'm going